Well, hello guys, and welcome back to the House of Valentina. Today we are talking about super budget friendly ideas that you can use on your home that will take it from being dated to looking fabulous in literally almost no time. We are talking every one of these ideas is hugely impactful and under $250. I know, you're thinking, how big of a deal can it be? I'm telling you right now, these have been so transformative for our home. We moved into our very dated home built in 1993. I know the 90s are calling, but honestly, there are some things they could have back. There were just some things on our house that while we loved the shell of our home, there were things that were just dating it so badly. And I know you guys have gotten to see this transformation, and there's so many of you who have loved getting to see all the different things that we've done and some things we've invested in. But there were some things that we did in our home and we have helped so many others do in theirs that were actually really inexpensive. These were things that were under $250 that completely transformed our home, and they've helped us transform so many of our clients' homes as well. So I hope you will be a subscriber. We just hit 670,000 subscribers. I mean, that's crazy. Thank you so much for being a subscriber. It just lets other people know that we have an amazing community here and you're a part of it. You are a part of that subscribership, and when you hop onto YouTube, it also means that you'll see us in your subscription section, so you'll never lose us in YouTube, which happens sometimes. You may not ever have one of my videos pop up again. So hit subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and let me know what's your favorite video you've ever watched on our channel. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to hear your answers. Okay, write it down below and let's jump in, shall we? All right, coffee down. One of the very first things that we did when we moved into our home was that we actually switched out the door handles, okay? It is actually not expensive at all to just simply switch out your door handles. And you probably have figured it out by now, but my husband's not the most handy and neither am I. So we needed jobs that the two of us could do that were not only really easy, we also needed ideas that were really inexpensive and that were things that we could do quickly. And these are all those things. The first one was switching out the door handles. That was actually a really easy thing to do. We found it so easy to just pop off the old handles and put on new ones. Now, I personally really like a modern door handle. I try to go for something that no matter what phase I went through, no matter what I wanted to do, trends were gonna come and go. I was looking for something that wasn't trendy. So I avoided anything that was in a brass tone because I felt like that was really in. Everyone's taking off, any of the silver tones, popping on these gold tones, and I'm like, I'm just going to do something that's really neutral and go black. So a black lever door handle is so inexpensive. You can buy them on Amazon, actually. You can get a pack of door handles off of Amazon. You can get a pack of 10 for under $200. And if I see them cheaper at Home Depot, I'll leave those linked for you as well. But yeah, door handles, so easy, instantaneously makes the house feel a lot more updated. And a lot of times people will say, why does it matter if something's dated? You're just being rude. I'm like, no, it's really not, because when I say something feels dated, I don't mean that just because it's old, it's out. Because, hello, like some things are just better with time. Our faces, clearly, wine. There's a lot of things that are better with time, right? But what happens is that when we start feeling something is dated is when it feels a little bit dingy, it feels a little bit used and abused, and it's lost its luster. And those are the kinds of things that I think can tend to make a home feel just a little bit meh. And these are instant fixes that make it feel like, oh my God, I live here. Ah! I mean, why would you not want that feeling? I'm so excited to take just a moment and thank our video sponsor for today, which is Halara. Their ethos of your moves, your way is something that we just totally identify with. We just absolutely love and believe that you can look chic and also be comfortable at the same time. This little dress is their work dress, and it has an amazing tummy control in the center, and I just actually tucked that up myself. This also has pockets. You feel like you're in your PJs all day. Who's gonna be mad about that, right? But let me share with you a few more pieces that I absolutely love from Halara, because I know you're gonna love these as well. Next up, we have the high-waisted Halara Flex work pant, elasticated all the way around and super comfy. They also have pockets in them, and my favorite part is that they also have pockets on the back, because that makes the pant look very finished. These are absolutely amazing. Honestly, you'll be happy to hang out at home in these. They're very comfy. You may also want to think about wearing them with a blazer. You might want to think about adding a cute little sweater with these. Okay, and next up, we have the Halara Flex DayStretch high-waisted pocket work flare pants, guys. Oh my God, these are so comfortable. I have to be honest with you, every one of these pieces has shook me to the core. They're just game changers. Do you know what I mean? They are wildly comfortable. They look so cute. You would swear we're walking the runway and you're just literally in the most comfortable clothes. Next up, we have the asymmetrical baggy jeans. These are so cute. Every time I put these on, I also have them in the blue. I'm like, you look so snatched in these. I'm like, they are so slenderizing. They are adorable, comfy, and so in right now. Next up, we have the tapered golf pant, which has a UPF 40 on these. So they are a drawstring, super comfortable, great for lounge days. You can also dress these up as well. And being elasticated with the drawstring means that they're always going to be super, super comfortable. Next up, I've got two tank tops that I absolutely love. I love the fact that this one is actually ruched, which means it looks really cute if you want to either tuck it in or leave it untucked. It's also got this amazing little feature where it's got the sleeve that goes all the way over the shoulder. So cute, so adorable. You can wear this with a work outfit. You can also wear it when you're wanting to be in active wear. I also have this little beauty. Look at the crisscross on the back with the open keyhole like this. Oh my God, so adorable. I don't know about you, but when I want to be active, having something that is really cute definitely motivates me. Next up, we have the drawstring mesh 2-in-1 running short. I love these. This is what got me turned on actually to Halara originally, because I love to wear a nice pair of running shorts for basically most situations when I'm being active. So whether it's, running around with the kids or going for a walk, these are nice because they actually have the little fitted shorts underneath them. I love the little mesh detail on these. They are so adorable. This is their padded workout cropped low tank. It runs from A to D cups. It is so comfortable. Got a double layer and gives you incredible support. On the days when you really want a good amount of support, this is it. And it's simple and it's easy to wear all day long. And everyone's like, ooh, where'd you get your top? And I'm like, it's my sports bra. It looks great. So right now, if you use my link, I'm also gonna pop up a QR code in case you're watching on TV and you want to walk up and scan it with your phone. But yes, use my link either way and use my code HOUSEO0. That's gonna get you 15% off of your full price purchase. And you're gonna be amazed by how much you can get and how incredible the quality is on these pieces. Thank you so much to Halara for being our video sponsor and for stocking me up on the cutest and comfiest clothing ever. Okay, another thing that people do not realize that they can do, should do. People are very passionate about not painting brick. I have to tell you, I still just disagree. I really think you should just paint the brick. Why not? Honestly, it makes it feel so updated and so beautiful. Brick is not an expensive material, especially when it comes to a brick surround on a fireplace. It's just not that much money. It's, I don't know, even, I was gonna say, even if it was like a stone material or something, no, even then, it still wouldn't matter to me, because if you have a surface around your fireplace that you don't love, and it's the center point of the living room, why would you want to look at that every single day? So you can paint brick, you can also paint tile. I actually had pink tiles around my surround, and before I had the money to pay to update everything, I just painted out the tile, and honestly, it looked amazing. Hey, this is a really easy one, but I'm gonna blow your mind. The chair rail in your dining room should not be painted a different color, okay? So I get it that some people want chair rail and below to be white, and it's usually the traditional people, which is usually why I'm not a very traditional person. I tend to like modern things and more even edging sometimes on contemporary. So for me, painting that just, you know, white below and then a different color up above, I just tend not to do that either. But if you really want to make your space look dated, have everything painted one color and then just paint the chair rail or the detail in white. It's gonna really make it look dated, especially if you've got a traditional dining room set with this. It's like, okay, it's too many things that nobody's doing anymore. Most people are not putting in chair rails and molding down below anymore. People are just not doing it. Most people just want a clean finish on their walls, or they're doing wood walls, they're doing stone walls. They're just not putting that in anymore. So when you pair that up with a dining set that's been purchased in the 80s or 90s, and the whole combination just starts to feel a bit dated. Do you know what I'm saying? So this is an easy solution. Just paint it all out in one color. I know some of the traditionalists are gonna be like, paint that trim the same color as the wall? Yes. Don't accent any of it. Just paint the whole thing out in one color. It's gonna look, nowadays I'm laughing, because when I did this 9 years ago, everybody, like people were literally writing the nastiest comments. They're like, you can't do that. That's not how that's done. I'm an interior designer. They probably don't talk like that, but in my head, they're not talking very nicely when they say these comments about how you cannot do things your way. Just color drench it, guys. You don't paint everything out. You can even paint the doors the same color. That'll instantaneously make them feel more updated. Paint them out the same color as the wall. If you're like me and you've got dated doors, this is an easy way of making the doors feel more updated as well. Also, you can paint the trim work out in your room the same color as the wall. This is all color drenching, but it makes the room feel a lot more updated, and it is just simply a can of paint. So it's something that even we who are not super handy are able to do, and yeah, I think you guys can do it too. Okay, let's talk about old blinds, because I know that some of you are very passionate about your blinds. But let's talk about some of the old blinds, the metal ones, some of them, the ones in our house when we moved in here, they were all broken. Either broken, they were worn out. I tried painting them, they never looked that great. Finally, I just took them all down. They just felt like a prison cell. I was looking back at some of the original photos and the original footage that we took when we came to see the house, and I was like, oh my God, I forgot that even on the side light windows, we had blinds on those too. We had blinds on everything. And just taking them down added 50% more light into the room, like just literally. And that's with them open. And they were all closed, and you feel like you're walking into like a cave. And yeah, I just hate it. I want as much light in as possible, even on sunny days like this where the light is going in and out. It's a little bit crazy. I don't care. I love having the natural light, being able to see nature. If you don't have nature outside, then maybe put some trees on your deck, put some trees on your porch, like take over your view, right? But either way, taking them down, it's free. If you want to put curtains back up, which sometimes you do need curtains, you can find them on Amazon for like $50 for a pack of 2 that have the linen pleats and blackout, or you can also go for velvet, and they're about $25 a panel. If you really want to splash out, you might want to double up the panels and give yourself a nice thick look and plush and look absolutely gorgeous. But that is so inexpensive that why would you not do it? When we moved in, we had no furniture. I mean, like, we actually had no furniture. 9 years ago, we moved back from being abroad, and we sold almost everything we'd owned. We'd been married for 17 years. We had a kid in elementary, one in middle, and one in high school, and we were all sleeping. We had to go buy mattresses so we wouldn't be sleeping on the floor. I mean, we had to buy everything all over again. We had a few things that came in a crate, but otherwise, we had nothing. So a lot of people were just giving us their old furniture, and what I would do at first is like the wood pieces I could just paint, and they looked really cute. But I also discovered pretty quickly, now, especially nowadays, Amazon has some amazing tables. I have one in my sunroom that's $250 off of Amazon, and actually they have so many cute options that are $150 or less. So updating the coffee table will make the whole room feel absolutely amazing. And while you're at it, think about grabbing like a new rug as well, because if they're old, if they're dirty, if they feel a little bit dated, you can just switch them out so easily, and you can go for really beautiful neutrals, get the green machine. They just came out with a limited edition cream colorway that is to die for. Apparently we needed 2 of them because the color was so cute. My husband bought a second one. I know, I hear you. I'm like, yeah, we didn't need another one because the first one still works. But he said it was cute, so I couldn't argue with him on that part. But seriously, update your rugs, update your coffee tables. These are little things that you can do that will start completely transforming your home and take it from being dated to delicious. I was trying to think of something that started with a D. Dated to delectable. Getting worse. Dated to dynamic. You know what I mean? You really can make small changes to your home that will really impact it, and just go one at a time. That's what we did. It took us time. Some people move in and they've got the budget to just literally rip everything out and do everything all at once. And there's some of us who just plod. And little by little, we transformed the house, and it just feels so amazing to be in a home like this. And I love the old bones of the house and how we've made it just feel like it's current, and I love that. So I hope I have left you feeling super inspired and ready to go make some updates to your home. Let me know if any of these are ones that you've made, or what is an impactful change that you have made on your home that took it from feeling dated to updated and fabulous. Make sure you are a subscriber as well. Oh my God. We're gonna be at 700,000 before you know it. And then it's 1 million after that. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. That is crazy. We get a gold plaque when we do that, and my boys are like, I'm getting that one. I'm gonna get that one. They can't wait to display it. So we need to get there, guys. Help us out. Share us with your family and friends. Get the word out, and thank you. Honestly, just being on this journey with you is such a delight for us. We think about it every single day. We think about you guys every day. And I hope that we will always keep you inspired to create your dream home, even if you're working on a budget. So we love you guys, and we will see you in the next one. Until then, bye for now.